Hey YouTube, it's TedsTutorials here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to pack a RuneScape private server's client into a jar file. So in order to do this, you need to have the newest update of JDK, and you should have your environmental variables set. I'm pretty sure you would already have them set, or else you wouldn't be having anything to do with a RuneScape private server. Alright, so first, what you want to do is you want to go into your RuneScape private server's files. So here are all the files for the RuneScape private server client. So here we go. What you want to do, sorry, let me just delete this file. Okay, you want to make a new file, so right click, new, and then text document, so click it. Okay, you want to name it manifest. M-A-N-I-F-E-S-T. And press enter. Alright, it's good. Now, you should have a file somewhere in this place, in your folder, called EGUI or EGU, something like that. Mine is EGUI. Yours might be EGU, but mine's EGUI. So what you want to do is you want to type in, open manifest, and type in main, M-A-I-N, dash class, C-L-A-S-S, then colon, and then space, and then the name of that EGU file in capitals, so EGUI. Now say your file was EGU, then you just remove the I and keep it EGU. But mine's EGUI, so I'm going to keep it EGUI. So now you want to press enter 2 times, and you make sure you gotta press it, or else Java is gonna give you some errors. So enter 1, 2, then press save, and I'll close this. So now you have your manifest file. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to close this file, and then open up your computer. And now we're gonna locate that file except using my computer, and this part's important because you're gonna just watch a video and you're gonna see why. So locate that file. So my file's on the desktop, so I'm gonna locate it. So local disk C, users, my username, where I saved it with desktop, sorry, and now where I saved it, so right here. Alright, now this is why that was important, because for the next step you're going to need to know the location of where this file is located. So what you want to do is you want to open your command prompt and type in CD. Now guys, sorry, CD lowercase, and CD stands for change drive. So basically it's just changing the location of where command prompt's going to be working, because right now it's set at C users coupon, not my username, and that's not where I want it to work. So what you want to do is CD, then don't worry about computer, just type in local, so type in C if it's on your C drive, and then colon, and then backslash, and then you want to type in the next part of it, so mine's users, so make sure you include the capital, so capital U. Okay, my username, which is coupon, so capital K. And you have to include / between every part. So / next part desktop, / and then the title. I'm just gonna put down my mic here so I can type it. Alright, so as you can see, I've typed it. Now what you want to do is hit enter, and it should change the location of where you are. So now it's at the location of where my my private server client is. So now what you want to do is you want to type in JAR, sorry. So press enter. Now if this didn't come up, then that means that you haven't set your environmental variables correct. I'll make a YouTube video on how to set up environmental variables. So now that these files came up, what you want to type in is jar, J-A-R, space, CVFM. Now CVFM, C, these are just options here. So C, create a new archive, so basically create a new file. V, generates verbose output on standard output, so just making the output like, well, really, I don't really know what that means, but F, specify archive file name, so this is where you're gonna put, that's telling it to what you're gonna tell it what you want to name it. And M, include manifest information, so that's the manifest file we made in the beginning, and that's really important so that it knows what to run. So jar space CVFM and then space. Now you want to name your client, so I'm gonna call it, I'll just name it, so let me put that on mic. Alright, so here's my name of the client. Then you want to type in .jar. Now put a space, and then type in manifest, manifest .txt, and this is so it's telling the command prompt where to find the manifest file. So that's what's the name of it. So manifest.txt, then space, and then asterisk, that little star thing, and then period, then asterisk again, and that's just basically saying include all the files in the folder. Then what you want to do is hit enter, and it's gonna work. So give it a minute, guys. It shouldn't take too long. It should be pretty quick, well, depending on how many files you have. So now it's done, as you can see. And you want to close it. And then you want to go in your client files, and you'll see that it has made a jar file. Jar file. Just gotta run it, and there you go, guys. So yeah, all you guys, that's basically it. Then you can upload it anywhere you want. My server's down right now, so it's not working. So guys, subscribe and enjoy.